Diba?
Smile! Alright. What's your birthday wish, Mami?
Happy birthday, Zoe. Mamaya na. Mamaya na. Wish ko lang na maging mabait kang bata at maging masipag mag-aral.
Iyak na yan.
Ha? Nag-aaral ka? Okay. Alam ko, hindi ito ang
Naiiyak na si Mami. Alam niyo ba't naiiyak siya? Ang laki ho ng gasto. Charis lang.
Alam ko, hindi ito ang plan natin for your birthday, pero sana masaya ka pa rin at sana kahit wala si Daddy, enjoy ka at saka bagay na lang kami sa sunod.
Wow. Palakpakan naman natin si Mami Eliza. Talagang love na love ninyo si Eliza. Thank you so much for Mami Eliza. Let's receive for our second gift, Tita Lady. Mami, nabili pa kayo na tubig.
Happy birthday, Zoe! Wish ko lang na enjoy your day and the rest of your life. And we're here, engaged! Hindi. Andito lang kami palagi sa'yo, Zoe, and enjoy. And be happy, smile. Yun lang.
Yes. Palakpakan naman natin si Tita Lady for your birthday wish. Birthday wish, Tita Mary.
Zoe, happy birthday. Sana tumaki ka ng mabait. At saka nandito kami lagi ni Tito Balon. Ni Ate Yuni. Para sa'yo.
Thank you so much, Tita Mary. Let's receive for our report, Tita Ken.
Hello, Zoe. Happy birthday. Lagi ka nang ipagdadasal na maging malusog ka lagi. Enjoy your party. Happy birthday. Love you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Tita.
Happy birthday, Zoe. So, yung wish ko sa'yo is be healthy always. Tapos, mag-aral ng mabuti. Yung totoong study, okay? After to study. And always remember that we are here for you, to support you, and we love you so much. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much, Mama Ne. Birthday wish, Lola Nani.
Hello, Zoe. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana lumaki ka ng mabait. Tularan mo si Mami. Enjoy your day and happy birthday.
Natin si Tita Jane. Birthday wish.
Zoe, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, may takot kay Mami, kay Daddy. Sa akin, matakot ka ha. Joke lang. Mag-aaral kang mabuti, baby. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.